Howdy everyone! Today I'll be creating this magical herb garden. This was fun to put together. You don't even have to own a garden or a porch to do this. A small apartment balcony or somewhere that gets partial sunlight will work wonderfully as well. First, I'm visiting my local nursery. I love this place. They have rows and rows of herbs and plants to choose from. As you can see, I got distracted by this giant sunflower plant. I wish my sunflowers were this big. For my herb garden, I ended up choosing 6 baby herbs. While I was there, I also picked up some potting soil and fertilizer. I got this wooden planter from Home Depot. I could have built my own planter, but honestly, I just wanted to work with something pre-made so I could start decorating it right away. If you do decide to make your own planter, more power to you. I hope to make one of my own in the future. It was a beautiful day, so I set up on my back porch to paint the planter. I think some fantastical, loopy lettering would look really nice on this. First, I sketched out the lettering that I wanted with a pencil. Then I can paint over the sketch using black and white acrylic paint. I'm using white paint for the main part of the lettering and then outlining it all with black. Once my paint is dry, I'm filling the planter with soil and fertilizer, leaving some room for my herbs in the process. I'm a novice gardener, so if you see me do anything wrong here, feel free to leave me some tips below. I really would appreciate it. Now it's time to plant some baby herbs. First, I'm putting in my 2 basil plants. Then some chamomile, lavender, sage, and wormwood. I also have a rosemary plant that I've had for a couple years, and I'll put that by the others later. I also have catnip, but I always leave it hanging so our local outdoor community cats don't eat it all. Luckily, catnip is the only herb our local cats are interested in, so I don't worry about putting the others in the planter. Since I made a mess with the soil, I'm sweeping some of it up. Now I can give my magical herb garden a nice drink. And there you have it. There's my herb garden. This was a great experience. I loved putting this together. If you're stressed out or if you just want to try a new hobby, I highly suggest gardening. It's so relaxing and rewarding. I do hope you give it a try. Thanks y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Until next time, bye y'all.